Hey, your boy Future Time is uploading again, so you know what this means. It's time for another video. I was gonna say another car vlog, but I changed it to video. So today, judging by the title and the thumbnail and literally everything else that's already telling you what we're doing, we're changing the CV axle. So I took out the little center cap here. It's not that difficult. You just pry it off. I know I shouldn't pry it off, but whatever, I did it anyway. So, I don't know how this is gonna go. I hope that, I can actually do this. But first things first, we gotta actually remove the, axle nut. So, let's just get into it. Oh, thank God. Thank God I used a lot of penetrating fluid, because that really needed it. I feel like it would be way more difficult to do if I didn't use that penetrating fluid. So we're good. Why do I look cross-eyed? So unfortunately, this pipe is now permanently stuck to this. Yeah, that's great. Lug nuts feel like nothing now. It's like it's not even tightened properly. Oh, it's like a hand now. Okay, it's in pretty good shape. I can probably use the same cotter pin when I put the tie rod back in. So that's good. It's all good. Is it finally? Oh, finally! is. Alright, so we've run into yet another fucking problem with this car. So the tie rod here, you know, I keep tightening it, but it doesn't go anywhere. And I've noticed the thread is now not connected to the tie rod anymore. So we're gonna have to buy another outer tie rod. Obviously, it's unsafe to drive with because, yeah, you don't want that happening on the road. So, fuck my life. But we did get pretty far. We replaced the entire axle. I just need to torque this down and then kill myself. Alrighty, so it's second day. We are gonna try to fix the little tie rod issue that I explained about just a few seconds ago. This is the main thing we're focusing with today. I need to plug in my light. So I got this off. Pretty much what I did was I took this little thing that I used to remove the tie rod, and I used it in the opposite way. I kind of clamped it like that, and then I sort of clamped the tie rod. So everyone, I actually did manage to tighten the outer tie rod, so we're good. I just have to torque down the axle nut and then torque down the lug nuts, and then we're good for this job. Hopefully this fixes the problem, because if it doesn't, let's go ahead, get the tire back on, then let's torque the axle nut, and then hopefully we can drive it without problems. It's all white. You wanna know why it's all white? It's fucking snowing outside. It's April. Just check your body. Well, everyone, that's it. We've changed out the axle, and we've put in the new automatic transmission fluid. Yeah, I said automatic. Don't kill me. That's pretty much it for this video. Not much else that we need to do besides maybe test drive it when it doesn't look so shitty outside. What the? It's April. Hopefully you enjoyed, and if you did, go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment below. I don't know what else to say besides peace.